To make a payment, click on the $Pay button. Choose the payee, and then enter your payment details, including the amount and the payment date. The payment date options will differ based on if you're on a process date or due date model. Review, then confirm your payment, and you receive a success message. For e-bills, you have the option to set up recurring payments based on the full balance or minimum due. Once you make your selections, review the payment and then confirm.